Hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. So we have this gorgeous 2017 Mercedes S550. So, I mean, beautiful car. Look at this thing. I mean, it is just absolutely gorgeous. And the crazy thing is, even though it's a 2017 with all this tech, no CarPlay. No Apple CarPlay, no Android Auto, none of that. So the client loves the car, but just wants to have Apple CarPlay. So we retrofitted a unit in order to allow the car to have Apple CarPlay. So to access it, all you do is you hold down this return button for 3 seconds. The dash lights up. So the nice thing is now he has the best of both worlds. Gorgeous car and the technology to go with it, right? So with the jog dial, you can scroll through all your apps when you find one that you want. So let's say maps, you just press down, boom, it pulls it up. The other nice thing is now you have Siri. So you can say, hey Siri, get directions to the Sears Tower.
Getting directions to Willis Tower.
And it's gonna correct me, but I still say Sears Tower because it's the Sears Tower to me. So, but there you go. You can say, you can do anything, right? You can text somebody, make a phone call, play your favorite music, everything. It just makes the car so much more functional. And again, gorgeous car. Beautiful, right? Luxurious, amazing, in great shape. You know, it's a 2017, but look at this interior. I mean, it's just, it looks brand new, right? The main thing is the tech. The technology is just not great. So all you do is you hold down the return button, boom, you're right back to the original screen. So basically what the unit does is it allows you to toggle between the factory screen and our CarPlay add-on. Factory screen, CarPlay add-on.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.